It was a little bit too rusty, or what's to take off like normal?
Yeah, I put the puller on it and it didn't move it.
Did you throw some oil on there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Threw oil in it and stuff, but it still didn't move it. So
just a little rusty.
Gotta heat it up a little. See this? Always straddle it. Here, hold it right there. It's coming now. Earlier it was. Is this going down?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's coming out. Careful, it's hot. The heat transfers on this metal roller.
Yeah, I felt it. I touched it real quick before.
Scorpion.
Scorpion. Oh. Oh, hey, the babies. Come here.
Behind you, there's going to be another one coming.
Oh yeah. What's up, little babies? What's up? Hey, little baby. The little baby came up first. What's up, little babies?
50 RPM.
Y'all remember me? I saw y'all when y'all were little babies. I took two. I took one of your brothers, my baby now. I take care of him.
Yeah, you got new ones.
Things are rusty.
How old are you, Phil?
Me? I'm 49.
You got good knees, so yeah, eh?
Oh. Pero, ahorita I can still crawl in attics.
I've lost some weight.
Yeah.
I was real chunky, man.
That's good. Not que bueno.
Get the 11/32, the little green handle one.
Okay.
We can tighten those down.
Yeah, he has me eating chicken every day.
There you go.
Yeah. The front is not visible anymore on it.
You can just see 32. You can't see the 11 no more.
Yeah.
The expansion casitas, ¿cómo quedó?
Good. I haven't finished it.
No, hombre.
No, pero ya tengo toilet. Might be a little burr in there somewhere. It's not letting it go down.
I'll start using it to tap it down. There we go.
All the way down.
All the way?
Yep. Yeah, come up a little bit. A little bit too far. Yeah, we wobble it. There we go. Have it. Whoa. Bring it down a little bit. Right there. Right?
Right there?
Right there's good. Yeah.
There you go. There you go. So far, it's long enough. There you go. It's right there at the end. It's right there at the end. Here.
There you go.
There you go.
This makes it easier, watch. We bend them like this. This makes it smaller. It makes it easier to. It's right here. There it goes.
I got it. There you go. Just the tape.
Got it? Yeah, either one, yeah. Is there 7.5? Go. Let it sit down. Okay, now we got these two to powers to wire.
The screws are back on.
Now we're gonna test it real quick.
Put the disconnect in, or not yet?
No.
Oh, you're gonna.
Yeah, let me. Yeah, right now you put the disconnect once I'm ready. I'm gonna test it to make sure rotation. You know.
Make sure it's going the right way.
Look at that.
Those are good odds.
Yeah.
Ants. Yeah.
All these are ants. That's correct rotation.
There you go. That's in. So the pressure switch.
Yeah. It's this pressure switch that's open. It has to be the pressure switch open here. Okay, let me cut it open. Tie wrap. I mean, not a tie wrap, wire nut.
Wire nut.
Yeah, orange wire nut.
Orange.
Okay. So I had to bypass it. Right. It'll work fine anyway. La única cosa, if for whatever reason the motor fails again or something, what'll happen? It'll stop cooling and you'll notice and just shut it down. The compressor will overheat, se apaga. You just shut the unit down, calm the service down. Should be good though.
How much are you gonna try to put in? Like 3 or 4?
It probably needs about 4 pounds. But I'll find out right now when this number needs to get to a 10.
Oh, I thought 2.
Yeah, it's really a 2.
You put a new contactor. You're charging it up. You fix the leak inside, right?
Yeah.
We nitro tested, no leaks. Now you're just charging it up to the right amount. How much is it gonna need? Like 3 or 4 pounds again? 2 pounds? Okay, so the leak was pretty small then.
Why leave it there?
Yeah.
I don't see anything here.
Close. This one?
Yeah. And it was on the inside.
Nothing.
No.
This one. Just that one that I pointed out?
Okay, but that was a weld. If you look closer, put a light on it, and you can tell it's a welding.
Good job.
Yeah, it still looks wet here. See that? But mira esto. Is that from the soap? That was the soap. So here, the leak was inside here. Let's put some pressure and let's see if it's still there. I can't tell yet. I'm putting extra because we're at 17.2.
It's not this one. There's no leak there.
No?
Nope.
Unless there's a big leak here. That's just 17 psi. Let me put some more. Could be a big leak inside. On that leak out there, ese todavía no está leakando. But you can put your ear on this and you can hear it right here hissing. I sprayed some soap on it, pero it won't bubble, pero you can hear it. It's big enough to where it's not letting it bubble, and it's somewhere inside the coil. It'll come on the camera.
Excuse me.
Oh. Okay, let's see. Give me the drill.
It's just snaps into place, no nails on the front one?
Yeah, there's 2 on the bottom,
Oh, okay.
and there's 3 right here. Lasted a good while. This is a good 7-year-old unit.
Yeah. Lasted a while.
Yeah.
Get another one.
Yeah, that inside one, it's in the middle
Too
where
far
you
in
can't.
the coil. Might just make another leak
Mhm.
if we try to fix it.
Shit. Yeah, put one. Now let's put the lid.
Good.
That side goes to my.
At that side?
Yeah, go right here. Slap it over there. Forgot one somewhere.
There's one over here.
Yeah, the tapa esta. Oh no. So ya tiene los dos. I have an extra one. It was probably one that went right here. That's alright. It's no good anywhere. Try to toss it. There you go.
So another unit with the leak somewhere.
Yeah.
Just charge it up, get her going until she can move into her new place. We'll come pick this up. She said she was gonna give it to us, right?
Yeah, we can come and cut this out and take it.
Take
The
it.
inside one is not worth it.
Yeah, just take this one. We'll give it to Grandpa to scrap.
Yeah.
If there's any good parts, keep them.
Yeah.